Some single mothers never want to be a single mother, but circumstances beyond their control leave them being a single mother. Some choose to be a single mother. My brothers, my sisters, it's not easy. Being a single mother is hard. It is sometimes frustrating. But those that choose to be a single mother know one thing today. You frustrate that man. You cause the government to. You were part of that man's problem that makes them to deport him. Remember, those are the father of your kids. While doing this, if you are about to do this or you have done this, remember in the back of your mind that this is the father of your kids. One day you will need him. Yes, you have 100% chance over the kids, but please, single mothers around the world, please, don't always end things with quarrel. Do not end things with your children's father with quarrel. Do not end things with. Do not make things difficult for him, because tomorrow you might need his help. We should learn to help one another, because that bond is already there. You cannot break that bond. You have kids together. Even if it's a child, you have a child together. That bond, you cannot break that bond at all. It cannot be broken, because blood is thicker than water. We should learn to help one another. When you help, when you can help, not frustrating the man more, making sure that the man go to square zero. What do you gain if you frustrate that man at the end, the man now go back to square zero? What do you gain? Help is reciprocal. When you help today, when you help that man today, that man can help you tomorrow in one way or the other. You there position today to help. That does not mean say you be God. Not play the role of God. You there position to help today. Help. So that tomorrow, when that same person there position to help you, you not go look back, you not go think twice. He go help you. Because you go remember when you help him. Single mothers, always make sure your children know their papa. Not they remove their, not they divide the children away from their father. Not they take the children away from their papa. Not take the children away from their papa. This is not good. Let the children know their papa. Let the children be acquainted with their papa. Let their papa show them love. A lot of single women. Some single women are there. They're not the one make their children papa see their children. They're not the one make the children papa come close to them. Well, you know that that man, I truly get that pikin. Why you go do like this? If that man do this thing to you, you go like her? No. So what do you not go like? Don't want to others. What do you know say if they do you, it will pay you. Not they do unto others. Single mothers are there. Take care of your children. Some choose to be a single mother. If you choose to be a single mother, choose to take care of them. Put their needs first. When you know they take care of them, people outside go see you, say you know they take care of them. But when you take care of your children, people outside go see you, say yes, you take care of your children. Put your children needs first. Now they come when something don't happen. When you know so you can actually avoid. When it don't happen, you come cry. You come I know say it's not easy. But God will make it easy for us. It's not easy. It's not easy. If I say it's easy, not lie. It's not easy. There are some things you can actually avoid. Avoid them. Take care of your children. Put your children's needs first. That's why that's why you give birth to them. To take care of them. Because so that tomorrow, when things begin to happen, you know say yes, you tried your best. It's not easy as a single mother. It's not easy for a single mother to it's not easy at all to take care of one children. Not to talk about two or three or four. It's not easy, but God will make it easy for us. I beg. Things we will not say we go avoid. Make we avoid them. Make we try to follow law when govern the country where we dey. It go help a lot. Not use the mentality of Africa. Say Africa they do this one, I go do that to my pikin. No. Something go wrong. If you use the way when our parents they handle us, they handle your children, many things go wrong. So that may they not take our children from us. I know that the children sometimes that they make us they want to do things when we're not supposed to do. That is why that is why now we are growing enough to suppress or can anger. Children can make you grow anger to do what you're not supposed to do. I beg, more will try. More could control our anger. Those things where that they do for Africa. When our parents, when our parents say train us for Africa, I beg, more will not use like that. They train our children for Europe, because you know say like. If you use like a hand, when they train you, they train that your pikin. Now big trouble for Europe. Make we try, make we follow the law where govern this Europe, so that tomorrow make the government not go take everything what we labor for. What if they make us they suffer this suffer now because of the children? So that may they forget bright future tomorrow. So that may tomorrow may suit everybody. You as a mother, you know say you they train your children the way your parents they train you. I beg, stop and mend your ways. I know say sometimes it's hard though. The children that they do one thing or the other, they can make you do things when you're not supposed to do. Control your anger. Control her. So that may tomorrow we will not go for this government hand. So that way tomorrow make we not they say I don't know. I made your ways, my brother. I made your ways, my sister. I made your ways. No use the way where our parents they train us. No use and they train your children. No use the hand when our parents they follow us. No use that they train your children. My brother, my sisters, we could not use that odd hand to train our children. You know, say for Europe, they're not the green. The law for Europe, not green that one. So as we dey Europe, we go behave like Europeans. If you dey Rome, we go behave like Roman. I beg. Now this little words of advice now I get from my people today. Stay blessed, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Share my videos, comment, and stay blessed, guys. Bye bye for now.